happy to have you with me. It's a big world and I am now a big girl. Come with me dito sa Heart World. Lahat tayo may happy place. And para sa akin, ang happy place, sad place na naging happy place ko is Paris. At malay nyo, happy place nyo rin. So for the very first time, it's an exclusive para sa inyo lang. Makikita nyo ang aking pinaghirapang treehouse sa Paris. So, bienvenue! Welcome to my apartment in Paris! So, kailan ko siya nabili? I think, mga a few years ago, pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng apartment sa Paris. Kala ko imposible, pero ang imposible naging posible dahil may pinagdadaanan akong medyo mabigat ng mga panahong yan. It was a time in my life na kailangan kong patunayan sa sarili ko na kaya kong tumayo na mag-isa, na kaya kong mag-isa.
This is really a struggle because I don't even know how to fill up forms. Form nga sa bangko, natataranta ako. Ito pa kaya. But anyway, we're going to learn from this.
I never travel alone ever since I was a little girl. So, in my mind, I'm still a little girl when it comes to traveling. I usually travel with my team. I don't know a lot of things because I usually travel with my mom and her assistant when growing up in showbiz.
And nung time na yun, nanginginig na yung mga kamay ko kaka-paint. Nagbenta ako ng alahas, kung ano-ano nang ginawa ko para ma-achieve ko to. And even if it was a bad time in my life, what the devil uses for evil, God will use for good. And now, I'm in a happy place. Nagkaroon na ako ng apartment sa Paris. Come to my sala. So, when I was able to purchase this, it was a mess.
So cool. Kailangan ko dito. At siksikan na rin natin ang ano-ano. Charot! One day, I'm gonna have a museum. All of my fashion stories, experience, all of that.
I got this sofa. This one is from Lignet, if I'm not mistaken, that's how you pronounce it. All of these pillows are from Manila. Inuwi ko talaga siya. And then the carpet was already here, but the white carpets, I wanted to do all white because I wanted to make it feel fresh. Na kahit ang dami kong mga anik-anik, mga abubots, it's all still like very cohesive with one another. Inuunahan ko na kayo kasi pag mapunta kayo, ay maliit lang pala. So at least inunahan ko na kayo. Pag kunyari kayo nagde-design ng bahay, minsan confusing. Ako nga maximalist. So ang ginawa ko, dahil maliit lang yung bahay ko, yung mga tips ko was I tried to bring, of course, yung mga times na yun, halos lahat na makikita mo doon galing sa Manila. I wanted everything to have a common theme, which I wanted all of the colors to be majority white. Para malinis lang siya. Tapos kung magkakaroon ka ng pop of color, merong malalagay mo dun sa shelf mo, but I wanted to have character. So that's what I did. It's all about putting together your most prized possessions and color coordinating each shelf para hindi siya magulo sa paningin. So this is outside of Paris. Mahirap na kasi madaming mga akyat bahay gang doon. Pero basically, it's a very nice area in Paris and one of the safest.
Okay, so we're here. Yeah, it's also near Le Bon Marché. But now we're gonna go to this cute store that I passed by my last trip, but I haven't been inside. So,
So, yung outdoors ng apartment is the place where you can really walk. Pangarap ko pa naman lakwat siya, mag-commute, ganyan. Gusto ko talaga yung nagbibili-bili ng mga bulaklak. Parang yung nakikita nyo sa Emily in Paris.
we have reached the art store. There's actually another branch, but this is the nearest one. That Pagoda Harrison Ford na ako. Hi, kamusta?
Wow!
Amazing. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.
This one is a beautiful reminder. It's also by a French artist, life is beautiful, and indeed it is, the good and the bad, because it just completes the story. And again, I always believe that whatever happens to you in your life will make you a better person, it'll keep you grounded.
Pangarap ko din na dalhin si Panda doon, first as Pin in Paris. Come here. I love you. Come here. I have a friend, my agent, her name is Alice, and she lives in this area. Also, this area is, dyan nakatira yung mga ibang artista, ganyan. Nung nakita ko yung apartment na to, talagang na-inlove ako kasi parang fresh. Kumbaga, new place. And then, nakita ko yung spiral na staircase na, ito na yun. So, meron ako isang nakitang apartment na very Emily in Paris, pero ito na, short ako ng 20 million pesos. Mag-showgirls na ako talaga. Sabi ko, let go ko na yun.
I love you, Heart!
Eh, pwede bang may apartment ka sa Paris na walang art? Siyempre, hindi po pwede.
I don't know where I'm gonna put this painting, but it's always good to have a blank canvas everywhere you go.
So talagang tinadtad ko siya ng art. Para lumaki yung lugar, nilagyan ko ng mga mirrors, the artworks that I treasure the most. Kahit teddy bears ko nung bata ako. Kung si Panda hindi nakarating, at least sila nakarating.
This one is from my daughter, Jessie. It's her sketch from 2022, so I had it framed. These are all from Paris. Some are like European artists, and this one is my collaboration with Brian Boy of Incubus, and I wanted it to be part of here.
There's this really talented artist named Heart Evangelista who we're doing a release with.
So when moving into a new home, kailangan meron naman din kayong katulong na tutulong sa'yo magbuhat bilang, Diyos ko, hagdanan lang to, di ba? So hulaan niyo kung sino ang tumulang sa akin.
Ang ating wife duties has been dead. I'm so sorry. Siguro may isang oras na wala kayo. Doon pala ako nagising. Hindi pa ako Kasi kanina, kagabi, parang baksak na ako dyan sa sofa.
In the beginning, it was just me, but when my husband's cheese, when he came here, doon tinulungan niya na ako. So nakakatawa. Binantayan nilang ayusin tong lahat.
So ayan na nga, hindi pa rin nyo kailangan ng visa para makapunta ng Paris because we have more moments in my happy place when Heart World returns. Don't get me wrong, ina-acknowledge ko talaga yung idea na pinanganak akong privilege. Pero syempre, dinidisiplina din kami. Spoiled kami in a sense na lahat binibigay sa amin. Pero talagang sobrang thankful ako dahil yung tatay ko, magaling din siya magdisiplina. Kailangan maging thankful ka kung anong meron ka. Kailangan hardworking ka. Yung dala-dala ko na kung may gusto ka, kailangan pagtrabahuhan mo yun. Kailangan yung talagang alam mong deserve mo bago mo siya makuha. In fact, dumating na ako sa point na meron akong imposter syndrome. Yung feeling mo hindi ka deserving na makuha mo to. But as time goes by, I give a tap at the back na sinasabi ko sa'yo, you deserve it because hindi mo lang to pinaghirapan. Halos makipaglaban ka para dito. Pag pupunta ako ng Fashion Week, lagi ko tong dinadala. The difference of Heart and Love Marie. Kasi para sa akin, malinaw na difference yan. Si Heart, yan ang pinanganak na artista. Dito nyo kilala. Pero nung pumunta ako ng Fashion Week, nagpagawa talaga. Actually, regalo to sa akin ni Judith Lieber, yung brand na to. And I really on purposely said, hello, my name is Love Marie. Kasi it was me trying to reintroduce myself, not as artista, pero as who I am. Kumbaga, pangalan ko sa birth certificate ko. Kasi iba yun eh. Alam niyo na ang bagong kasabihan natin. Hindi lang when it comes to material things, but in life, pag pinaghirapan mo, kapag may mga pangarap ka, if you put in the effort and the sacrifices, nothing is impossible and you deserve it. So, kung meron kayong mga moments, kung meron kayong gustong i-share, kung wala kayong kinakausap, kung nalolonely kayo, kung brinigyan kayo ng boyfriend nyo, halika nandito po kami, available kami, i-chika nyo na yan online sa aming community. I hope you enjoyed seeing the world through my eyes. I'll see you again next week. At next week, nako, may drama. Medyo ito matinding drama at mga bagay hindi nyo nakita. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean.